This is another Tech 101 from IAHPERD, and I'm Chris Amundson. Today we're going to do Flipgrid. So go online and go to flipgrid.com. Here you're going to need to create an account. I already have one, so I'm going to sign in with Google. When this pops up, you're going to go through failure information, but I'm going to add a new grid. I already have one for my Drake class, but I'm going to go through. I'm going to name it Crestview PE because that's where I teach. You can choose school email. You don't have to choose anything here. I just like to put that in there to make it a little more secure. And then I like to always change the name, the code of my Flipgrid to make it easy for the kids to remember. So for this, I just do Crestview PE. Maybe, kinda. There we go. And I hit next. It's gonna make sure that I'm getting just emails from my school. So that's the good extra part for the security. And I'll hit next, make sure it's ready. You can copy that, or you can just remember it's Crestview PE. So if you look at that, right now it already has one on there, but I don't necessarily have to use that one. I'm gonna create a new topic, and mine is going to be a fitness journal. And I'm gonna give them a minute and a half. You can go up or down on that, depending on how much, and I just want them to talk about what did you do this week for physical activity, for exercise. Let's get that typed in. Some kids will want more time, some kids won't use very much time, so it just depends on who it is, but that's why I like to keep it a minute and a half to 2 minutes. You can add extra things on here. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to skip past that, and I'm just going to go to create. So I've got my topic on there. I'm all set. So I'm going to go out of here. You can see it. I have no responses right now to it. I would give my kids a code, let them know what's going on here. I can add things to it. I can hide the topic. I can make the topic. I can move it. I can delete it. Do all that kind of stuff under actions. So I think it's time that we go to the app. Just a second here. There we go. We're going to go get the app. Now the app is free, so it's the one in the middle with the plus sign, the green and white. I'm going to type in my code, Crestview PE, and I hit the arrow over, and it's going to make them log in. If you don't pick in mail, that they have to have the school mail, they can go right through it without. That's really up to you with your security. So down at the bottom, I'm going to hit the plus sign, and it's going to allow me to create my own grid. So here I go. I'm going to start to talk. As soon as I press the video button, here I am talking, or at least pretend talking. And I'm going to just record what I want to. From here, I'm going to hit the play button down at the bottom right-hand corner. You can add words or different things on it. I'm going to watch it to make sure it's okay. I can flip things around. I can do more editing to add more clip art into it or words or whatever. If it's good, you press that arrow, and then it wants you to take a selfie so it knows who it goes with. So you choose what you want to do. There's mine, nice and corny. You can add a title to it. You can put a link with it. You can do whatever you want. Submit your video. I'm going to put detailed. It's a demo. I'm going to hit submit video, and I'm good. I'm there. So I'm going to return to my grid. I can click on any video, and if you hit add a reply down in the bottom left, I can reply to that video with another video. So it's always fun to hear. It's a better version of a discussion. So you don't have to, you can actually see emotions and facial expressions and body language. Go up there, I can change it to the other one. I can go back to here if I have a different one to go to. But that is Flipgrid.